Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and I'm back today with my last pumpkin spice recipe for the month, and I'm going to end it with a delicious pumpkin spice date ball. It's kind of like a snack, but it's really easy to make, super healthy. So if you guys love snack ideas that are pumpkin spiced, hit that notification bell, subscribe, and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing you want to do is take your dates. If they're not pitted, make sure that they are pitted and put it in your food processor. I found that a food processor works better than a blender, so I prefer a food processor, but you might be able to get away with using a blender. And then you want to add in your pure pumpkin puree, not the pumpkin pie, of course. And then to sweeten this up, I am using agave, but honey would be a great alternative. I just wanted to keep this completely plant-based vegan so that everyone out there can have it. And then for some additional ingredients, I had my pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, and chia seeds for a little bit of extra fibers. So go ahead and mix that all up, blend it up. I was having a little bit of a hard time with my food processor. It was just going all over the place, so I had to kind of hold it down. So anyways, if you open it up, you should see beautiful chunks of dates. I like to keep it kind of chunky like this and not completely pureed, at least for this recipe, because I like to bite down and have like chunks of the dates. And now I'm adding it to a bowl that has some unsweetened coconut flakes and pumpkin seeds. For pumpkin seeds, I use two different kinds. There's the Trader Joe's pumpkin spiced ones and then just regular roasted unsalted ones. And then oats. You definitely want to use some quick rolled oats. And then I just added in my date mixture right to the bowl, took my gloved hands because it just makes everything really easy to mix with, and then just gave everything a good mix. And just, it kind of looks like bird food, I know, but it's so delicious and it's so nutritious. That's kind of the key to this recipe, is that it's just so good for you. All the ingredients are very wholesome and very healthy. So I give that a good mix, and then I take a tablespoon measuring spoon and create little balls out of it. I think I made about 24 in total, but you just kind of keep rolling, and what I like to do is at the end, when I'm all done with all of my balls, I like to pop it in the fridge for at least 30-40 minutes before I serve it. That way it kind of hardens a little bit and it's a little bit easier to work with. But you can also just serve it like this. It'll be a tiny bit on the softer side, but it works well. And then also what I've done in the past too is I've created bars instead of balls, so that you can just kind of take a bar, wrap it up in some saran wrap, and then have it on the go. All right, and that is it. I have all of my snack balls, and I just wanted to show you kind of a close-up of it. You can just see, look at all that nuts, the oats, the chia seeds, the dates, everything is just so nice. And then I took a quick little bite and just wanted to show you the inside. It's just so nice and soft, but then still has a crunch. All right, there you guys go. That is my super easy pumpkin spice date ball recipe. I've made date balls in the past before, but this is just a pumpkin spice variation and it's delicious. So if you guys love pumpkin spice flavors, hit that notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.